Good afternoon, everybody. The honor Mr. Hyatt as my English teacher. In this nice moment, I will tell you about a stupid man and his cows. One day, the stupid man went to the market. He bought 6 cows. It's better for me to ride one of the cows. On the way, he counted them. But he could only see 5 cows. Oh my God! He counted them again. He was certain that he lost one. As soon as he got home, he said sadly, "My wife, I'm so sorry. I lost one of our cows." Then his wife asked, "Oh, my dear, how many cows did you buy?" The stupid man answered that he lost one, that he bought 6 cows. "Six, my wife, there are only 5." His wife looked at him and laughed. She said, you are riding the other one. Thank you very much for your attention. See you later.